What is up, guys, and welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Steven Womack, and today we want to take a look at this picture right here. Shirin David from Germany posted this picture on our Instagram account with that prism effect. Anton is the photographer. I'm going to link them all under this video. And today I'm going to show you how to recreate this prism effect. Normally you would have to use a professional camera and a prism, a crystal in front of the lens to get that prism kaleidoscope effect. But today, as I said, we're only going to use the smartphone and some free apps. So get ready for this. Now I've also created a preset on exactly this look. It's linked under my video, and it's in the all presets pack. If you want to download it from there to just save yourself some time, feel free to do that. And in that all presets pack, there's over 200 presets that you can easily paste to every one of your pictures to make them look great. And once you have the all presets pack, all the presets that I will be doing in the future will be automatically updated to the pack. So you just have to buy it once and you get a growing presets pack, which is a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell, and of course, if there's anything you need from me, as always, feel free to DM me on Instagram. Steven Womack is my handle, and I will always reply, and I'm always excited for your messages, so feel free to contact me there. I've said enough. Let's jump right into this tutorial. Now, the first thing we're gonna do is open the picture in the free Lightroom app, color grade them, make the colors come close to this Shirin David look, and then after that, we're gonna take care of that prism effect. So let's start with the colors and open the picture in the free Lightroom app. So I'm opening the app right here, and I've chosen this picture of a rapper from Switzerland, Loredana, because the setting comes kind of close to the Shirin David picture, but she's using her smartphone, as we can see here. So the first thing we do is in the lights tab, we go to curve on the upper right side, and I want you to recreate this curve exactly as it is right here. It's just gonna enhance the contrast a little bit. And once you have this curve as it is here, we're done. We wanna boost up the contrast to around +6. We wanna boost up the highlights to +17. Pull down the whites to -11, and boost up the blacks a little bit to +30 right here. Then we're done with the light. We go over to color. We just pull down the temperature to -6, boost up the tint to +12, and then we scroll up, hit the color mix on the upper right side, and for the red tones, I want you to pull down the saturation to -14, pull down the luminance as well to -16, and then we go to the orange tones. We want to boost up the hue to +9 to increase the hue of the skin tone, make it look more yellow. Then we want to boost up the saturation to +18 and pull down the luminance to -24. Then we're done here. We go to grading on top, and for the shadows, we want to pull to a hue of 244, saturation up to 25. Next is the midtones, hue up to 223, and the saturation up to 17 right there. The highlights, hue up to 227, that blue area again, and the saturation up to 35. And we're getting this nice blue tone look, which is what we want. Then we're done here. We go over to the effects over here. Then we pull down the clarity to -28, pull down the dehaze to -17, and then we want to add a dark vignette. So we pull the vignette down to -26 right here, and we are done with the colors. Now, these were the colors. Here's a little before and after, only taking a look at the color, and we came super close to that Shirin David look. And now we want to create that prism effect, that kind of crystal layer. I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. First thing we're gonna do is open the picture in the free version of the Picsart app right now. So we go to the Picsart app right here, open it up, and then you want to, as soon as it's loaded, choose the picture that we have just created. Here, the free version is enough, so we just hit the X on the upper left side. Now we have this picture loaded in here. Now what you want to do is go to add photo again, and now we want to choose the exact same picture, and now it's added on top of this picture. We just zoom in, make it bigger until it's as big, almost as big as the old picture, almost right on top of that. And then we just pull down the opacity a little bit and pull it to the right, kind of create that double effect here, maybe right there. Pull the opacity down, and you can really play with this until you like it. Maybe around here is cool. Pull it over to the left a little more, maybe up a little more right there. And then I hit apply on the upper right side, and now I'll save it with that arrow down on top. And now it's saving to the camera roll. We're already done in the Picsart app. And now we're gonna use another free version app, the Prequel app. Once again, it's a paid app, but we're only using the free version of this app. That's enough for us, so we don't have to spend any money. We go to the Prequel app, open it up right here, hit X on the upper left side. They want to sell us the premium version. We don't need that. Now hit the plus down here, and we want to upload the picture that we have just created. And now we have it right here. So we go to effects on the upper right side here, and then we go to optical down on the bottom right side. And now you can see Prism down here. We want to hit that, and now you can see it creates that prism effect with it. I think the second one right here works even a little better. You can also hit that again, and now you can try to just optimize your reflection however you want it. For me, maybe not that much. Maybe around here 20 is perfect. Filter at 0, that is perfect. We did the colors already, and then we're already done. We hit the export on the upper right side, and now it's exporting, and we are done here. Now this is it, guys. Here's a total before and after of the whole look that we created today. I think we came super close to that real Shirin David inspired prism look. I hope you're happy with this. We're only using the smartphone and 3 apps, so no professional gear, no prisms in front of the lens, anything like that. Only those free apps and the smartphone. I think it's incredible how close we can get, and I'm really happy with our result. Let me know what you think in the comments under this video. I hope this was helpful to you. And of course, once again, let me tell you, if you want to save some time, or you already have my all presets pack, I've created a preset on exactly this look to get those colors right in the Lightroom app. It's linked under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 200 presets that you can easily paste to every one of your pictures. And once you have the all presets pack, you can start working with all of the old presets I made, and of course also all of the future presets that I'm doing on this channel. So you just have to buy it once, and it will be automatically updated to your pack. It's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Of course, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell, and if there's anything else you need from me, or you have any new ideas for new videos that I can show you, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWomack is my handle. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for your love, the support, for pushing me, motivating me on this channel. I hope I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.